you're not just thinking that that person is superior than me, but you also think that I am not superior than anyone. Hello, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you already a subscriber, thank you. Without wasting any moment, let's dive into the video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few practices and tips that will help you to become more magnetic. So if you are thinking maybe, you have tried buying a Ferrari or buying a watch, I'm not going to be talking about any of those things, or not even like, building your muscles or having the abs. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few things that you can call the inner work that you have to do to become more magnetic. Because at the same time, I just want to also say that you already are magnetic. It's just that there are some layers that we build up with time, with society, with opinions of others, and we lose that spark. So I want you to try these practices that will help you to become magnetic again. Number one on my list is accept yourself. When you are accepting yourself, you're not accepting your positive traits, how sexy you are, how hot you are. You're also seeing the things that you might be thinking in your subconscious that are not nice, that are ugly, that are not worth competing. So anything that you feel that you don't accept about yourself, it can be maybe your anger, it can be, you are frustrated, or you have some kind of guilt, you have pride. So I want you to accept each and everything about you, because when you will accept bad or the negative aspects of yourself, only then you will start working on yourself, working on those things so that you can transform, you can have this metamorphosis of yourself. Next one is come out of your comfort zone. When you stay in your bubble, in your own world for a long time, you limit yourself. For example, you are shy, maybe you think you are introvert. That can lead you to become and stay in your comfort zone, because you're going to be always saying that I'm shy, I'm introvert. And the same thing happened with me. I did not have confidence in speaking in front of others, but I kept on saying that thing for a long time until I realized that I need to change that story. I need to say things in a different way, and I need to do things in a different way so that I can have different results. So I want you to come out of your comfort zone, do things that makes you feel scared, that makes you feel a little bit vulnerable. You don't have to directly go and do something crazy and something big. You can always start with those little steps. And when you do that, you'll build your momentum, and slowly and gradually you'll feel like you can do anything. Next one is compliment others. And when I say compliment others, I mean the genuine compliments. Because most of the time when you see someone, maybe it's not you, most of us, we get frustrated, we get jealous that, oh, that person is looking good, or that person is doing well in their life, but I am not doing well in my life. So I want you to change that story. Try to see it from a different perspective. When you like someone, when you like their nature, maybe they are good looking, maybe they are wearing something nice, maybe they are loving, they are caring, they are helping. It can be anything. Just go and tell them. Give them genuine compliments, because that shows that you are abundant. You accept yourself. You feel this way in your own body. You accept yourself in a way that you are open to give compliments to others. And when you do that, you also build more connections, more strong and deeper relationships. Next one is very important, and most of us go through this, that people are out of your league. I just want to say nobody is out of your league. You were born the same. You had all the privileges when you were born. Everything is same. Everything is connected. So it's just the society. It's just our mind and the titles and the labels that we put on each other that makes us feel that someone is out of our league. So try to feel that kind of worthiness in yourself, and when you approach someone, feel that that person is not out of your league. You are on the same level. And when I say that not out of your league, you're not just thinking that that person is superior than me, but you also think that I am not superior than anyone. So there is this kind of a balance. So nobody is out of your league. Next one is focus on self-growth. When you focus on self-growth, when you are learning new things, when you are mastering your emotions, when you are showing up in the world, as a different person or a person who is growing every single day, you become magnetic. You reflect this energy that is magnetic. So I want you to focus on self-growth. Maybe take a class, maybe learn something about yourself, maybe learn something new, maybe brush up your skills. It can be anything. Focus on self-growth. That will help you to become more magnetic. If you found this video helpful, kindly support my channel by dropping a comment, hitting that like button, and subscribing to my channel. Alright, that's a wrap. I will see you in my next video. By then, sending you so much love and light.